Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to accept on Steam using your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. If someone sent you a Steam gift through email, open your email inbox. You will see a message from Steam with a redeem on Steam button. Click it and it will open the Steam app automatically. If the gift was sent directly through Steam, click the envelope icon at the top right corner of the Steam window. This is your notification area. Look for the gift notification. It usually says something like you have received a gift. Click on it to open the gift details. Click accept gift. You may be asked to choose whether to add it to your library or send it to someone else. Select add to my library. Once accepted, the game will appear in your Steam library. Click install to download and start playing, and that's it. That's how you accept gifts on Steam using your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.